Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add multiple accounts on Instagram, and here's how it is done. Go to your Instagram app, then click your profile below, and then as you see, we have our Instagram account name here above. So let me just click that, and then as we can see, there are a lot of accounts that is already made. So in order for us to add another account, just click add Instagram account. We have two options here: log into an existing account or create a new account. Just choose your preferred way and then follow the directions that will be shown to you. So let us say that we have just created an existing account, and this is the existing account. So I will just click that account, and then we are already in another account. Let us do that again with a different account, and here you go. And that is everything you need to know about how to add multiple accounts on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.